Hi, this is miniature modeller Paul, who's just made a mistake in regards to not the build but some photos I had actually done. I took the time to photograph all the sprues, and basically what I've just reloaded the card back into my camera without taking them off the memory card. So basically they've been wiped off, and so I'm very sorry about that. I shall show a couple of bits later on, but there's nothing left of the sprues. So, and I've been using them, as you can see, as well. So that doesn't have much either. So I am sorry about that, but if I can find a copy of the sprues somewhere, I will do so. Anyway, this is how far I've got so far. Like I said, I was going to fill in the bottom bit of this model, and what do you do if I turn it over? These wheels, by the way, I just put on there. I'll clean them up and put them on there just to keep so they're all in the right place for the moment. I put white backing card inside here, quite reasonably thick, and put it in there nicely. That covers it all up, nice and firm. Glued it, left it overnight. Then I come back in the next day and actually filled in the holes with white plastic card on this side, so it leveled it off. And then what I did then is I put some green squadron putty on there, left that again for about 2 or 3 hours, then cleaned it all up. It needs a little slight sand, a little bit more, but it's smooth, so not too bad. So it's all done. That's what I did. Also, the little bit what, as you can see here, done on both sides. Again, I measured it and then cut it to near size, then sanded it until it fit nice and tight, and then glued it in, and that's in place. So now I've got all the holes that I need filling on the hole completely done, and there you go. So and then I put the backing plate on, used a clamp to make sure you get it nice and tight, and done. So all the wheels have actually been done. They've got rubber, those lovely rubber bits in it, so they actually just like typical Tamiya, and they all fit lovely. And I haven't pushed them on too much, but they're all good. They can be taken off to painting, which is really good, and then get on with it. So that was that bit. So and today and a little bit last night, I've been busy on this. I said I wasn't going to do it, but I've decided to. I'm going to move that out of the way. I decided I wasn't going to do it, but I have. I've taken all the actual fender support brackets that have gone on. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then one at the front, 6. I've taken them all off, left a little welding plate there. They've all been done. I've also taken the engine grills out here because I've got they're in the PE set, and so that's what I've done. And that took quite a while. And cleaning this up's quite nice. You can see marks, but once you put it, I'm going to do another little light sand. But once you've got a bit of primer over that, you're not even going to notice it. And the fender would have slight indentations anyway. So sorry, there's bits of plastic still left on it. Yeah, I will give it a wash off later. So there you go. So that's my little update. But I will, because of the mucked about a bit. You know I'm doing through tracks and everything, but I'm so annoyed that I actually deleted those photographs, because I thought that was going to go on before this, so you could see the sprues, and then come into this. So I'm very sorry about that. But that's modelling, isn't it? You do something and you think you've done it, you've thought you've done it. Because I had the memory card stuck in the top of the computer, but I forgot to get the photographs on. And then when I tried to film, because the memory card wasn't in the camera, of course it runs out straight away. So I switched it off, took the card out of the computer, put it on there, and just as I formatted it, I thought, you silly devil, you didn't check the card. I bet them photographs are gone. Check the computer, and the photographs are gone. So the sprue photographs, I'm very sorry, have gone. So what can I say? Old age. Anyway, so apologies for that, but anyway, but this is going on. It took a while to do these because the plastic is really thick, so it took a while. You can see they're pretty thick, if you look what I mean. You can see the thickness of the plastic, pretty thick. So I had to drill some holes and then drill smaller holes around and gradually cut it out with the trusty as you can see, I keep the old tip on, trusty cutting knife. So that is really as far as I've got now. So I'm working slowly. What I'll be doing now is going back to the hole and putting the support for the track, and once I've done that, I'll be start getting on to the rest of the whole build, putting some photo etch on it. So thank you very much for watching this, and I am sorry about the sprue photographs, and I'll catch you on the next one. Happy modelling.